morning everyone, it's really sunny, I don't know if you can see us, but it's Christmas Day and we're at Disneyland. If you follow our videos, you know we're traveling around Europe, we're on the other side of the world to our family and our friends, and we were thinking about what we're going to do on Christmas, and we're like, it's just be kind of sad, just like everything's closed and we'll just be in the van by ourselves, so we came to the happiest place on earth. Crusher's Coaster is one of our favourite rides and often has a really long line, so we are heading there first. Here we are, 40-minute wait, and it's like the park only opened like 20-30 minutes ago.
I think it's going to be a busy day today.
I think it is. We've remembered that was one of our favourite rides. We couldn't really remember what it was like. So good. Definitely, if you come from Disneyland Paris, go to Crusher's Coaster first. There's always a really long line, so get here first thing. It's quite spinny and fast, but it doesn't go upside down or anything. It's really cool.
Lots of fun.
Yeah. We screamed lots. Now we're heading towards the Ratatouille ride, which also has a pretty long ride. Not usually as long as Crusher's Coaster, but we really like this ride too. Cute, they have like a little Christmas market. Christmas market at Disneyland, that is so cute. So Ratatouille had a 35-minute wait, so we just went and got fast passes. We can come back in half an hour, so we're going to go do a couple of rides that have a much smaller line and then come back and use these. Just saying to Myron, I'm not sure if I can do that ride. What do you think?
It curves up quite a lot.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be too bad. Should be a lot of fun.
But I think I could do the slinky one. Slinky dog.
I guess that one's slowing down, I see.
Yeah, it was faster before. Slinky dog has a 5-minute wait and it doesn't look very scary, so we're gonna do this one. Last time we were at Disney, all these rides were closed, I think because the rain was so bad. So it's cool we're doing them now. We're the only adult-only group on this.
yeah,
on this ride.
On this one.
That's what Myron wants me to go on.
It looks really steep, but it doesn't look like it goes for long. You kind of hit the top 2 or 3 times and then come down. Slows down real fast.
Oh. That was actually pretty good. It went a bit faster than I thought, which is cool. It should go a bit longer, it's very quick. But now we're gonna go on this ride. I don't know why I've agreed to this. Slowing down now. So we just finished the RC Racer ride. I can't believe Myron committed to it.
That was scary. So good.
And we have our fast passes for Ratatouille, but we're a couple of minutes late. So I think we're going to get there 5 minutes late, but let's see if they let us in.
Yeah.
We're about to go on one of our other favourite rides, Ratatouille. Got my 3D glasses on over my other glasses.
So cool. Now we're coming along to do this parachute army one. There's like parachutes and it drops. Oh, it might be a bit scary too. We did the parachute ride. It was pretty awesome. All you did was go up and down, but you got a good view of the place, and it was.
Yeah, it was pretty scary.
You get that sickly feeling in your stomach when you do it.
And your like stomach is away from your body, like it's separate.
It's so busy now. And now we've done most of the stuff we wanted to do at Walt Disney Studios. And now we're going to head over to, what is it, the main Disneyland Park.
Yeah, we're going to watch the Christmas parade soon.
Yeah, it's in like 25 minutes, so we'll get over, get some good seats for that. And
Look how Christmassy it is.
Looks so good, all the blue Christmas trees.
The Christmas tree is huge. Sitting down waiting for the parade, and I think we've got a pretty good spot. We're right at the road. Ready for the Christmas parade.
Ho, ho, ho! Christmas is here!
It was a pretty quick parade, maybe 5 minutes, but it was only the Christmas one. There's the main stars of Disney, I think it's called, at 5 o'clock. But we're pretty happy that it was quick because now we can go eat some lunch. We're starving.
Five Guys burgers and chips for lunch.
We've got fries, and these are some of our favourite fries. They're cooked in peanut oil, which makes them delicious. Myron's got a little hamburger,
It's kind of like an American hamburger.
and I have a grilled cheese. Because they don't have any veggie burgers or anything. And you can get free peanuts. Yum.
Very good.
And we're in a nice sunny spot, which is really nice.
Frontierland. So we're going to do Big Thunder Mountain, but the wait time is 110 minutes.
Ridiculous.
It's ridiculous.
2 hours.
Yeah. So we might try something with a less of a line.
Yeah, and we couldn't get any fast passes or anything.
Yeah.
It's weird. It doesn't feel any busier than other times we've been here, but the wait times are much
A lot longer.
We're on a boat.
Yeah. So most of the rides have quite long wait times, so we thought the boat just rocked up, so we thought might as well jump on, go for a tour around the lake.
This is only a few minutes. I can't remember what the ride's called, but it's the only boat here.
Yeah. No.
The wait's been too long. We just got off the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, and I think we waited over an hour for that ride.
Yeah, it's ridiculous, but it's a good
yeah, it's one of our favourite rides, and it's
2 minutes or so ride.
It's a longer ride, so like waiting. It's a bit longer than 2 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
So waiting an hour wasn't too bad. But now we're gonna head to It's a Small World.
Yeah.
Get ready for a unique adventure with Goofy's Incredible Christmas.
just leaving Disneyland.
It was an awesome day. It was Christmas Day, and it was very busy though.
Very busy. Like, we probably spent more time waiting in line than actually on rides.
Yeah.
And we've been to this Disney before. We went for a few days. We've been to Disney in California. This was by far the busiest, and we kind of, I figured Christmas time would be busy because it's all decorated and there's special shows and stuff.
But
I thought Christmas Day itself,
people with families stay at home, but
but apparently not. It was still cool. We had a really nice day.
it's cool to come here on Christmas Day if you've been here before, but I wouldn't recommend coming if it's your first time here.
Yeah.
Because it's so busy, but
and especially if you only had like one day, like we were only here for one day, so it's like we had to get all the rides in we wanted to do.
yeah, but we didn't have many that we hadn't previously done, so we got those ones done.
And then our favourites done again.
Yeah.
And we're just walking back to the van now. We had lunch at Disney, but we're going to have dinner in the van because, as you know, if you've been to Disney, it's very expensive. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to our channel, I'm Hannah and this is Myron. We probably should have introduced ourselves at the start. And we make videos as we travel around Europe in our campervan, and we put out 3 to 4 videos every single week.
Yeah.
So please give this video a thumbs up.
Watch some of our other videos.
Yeah. And
And
subscribe.
we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.